Previously on What's on Wheels, Front Wheel Watch. First I had oil leaking out of the front hub, like it was trying to retire early. Then came the overheating mystery, one front wheel heading 182 degrees and no obvious cause in sight. Dave dove in, tools flying, tires off, but even after a solid inspection, the mystery only deepened. So off to the professionals they went. If you missed those thrilling chapters, don't worry. Links are in the description below and at the end of this video. But now, they've got what looks like the final answer. Let's hand it off to Karen and Dave for the verdict on the fix, and whether or not their Super C is finally running cool again.
We're Dave and Karen from What's on Wheels. We roll, we camp, and yeah, we play. Before we declared our overheating front wheel issue resolved, we wanted to put it to the test. So we took our Renegade Explorer on two big trips, one from Georgia to Georgetown, Kentucky, and then also down to Alabama. And those were on highway and twisties in the mountains, so we gave it a good test. No issues, no overheating, no brake heat, no brake issues. Everything seemed to be running smoothly. So in this video, we're going to give you the final word on what we think happened. What we think caused the problem and why we think it's fixed. So after the two full trips and over 1,000 miles, the wheels are cool, the brakes are working, and we think we're finally over the hump. Now, to be fully transparent, we still have seen a little bit of oil streaking on the front wheels. It's nothing like it was originally where it was leaking out. There's no dripping, no pooling, and the hub oil level is maintaining well. It's holding steady. We've checked the gaskets, the plugs, all that good stuff, and everything seems to be fine. So right now at this point, as far as the oil goes, we think it may just be some residue oil from the previous issue, or maybe it's just like minor seepage under pressure at highway speeds. But for now, the wheels are running cool. Everything seemed to be good and stable. Now here's Dave's take on this whole situation that we just went through. Hey Dave, why don't you give everybody an update on the Hot Wheels?
Brought it in the Freightliner. Replaced the brake pads and the rotors, the wheel seals. Also, we were having the problem with the oil leaking out of the hubs. So they replaced the oil hub seals, or the covers, or whatever you want to call them, the hub caps. And they said that the problem was overriding the brakes, riding the brakes too much. And I know I haven't, but the previous owner could have, because the pads did show signs of heating up.
It was glazed.
It glazed.
Yeah.
So we had them all replaced and everything, and we took it on a ride from Georgia to Kentucky and back through the mountains and all the twisties and all that. And every time we stopped, we checked the wheels, and they were right around 100 degrees. So I think that took care of the problem.
This has been What's on Wheels Front Wheel Watch, final chapter. Stay tuned for more cross-country travels, campground reviews, DIY fixes, and whatever Dave decides to tear apart next. Until next time, roll safe and roll cool.
Thanks for rolling with What's on Wheels. Want to help our channel grow? Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell, or we'll come Jeep chasing ya. Hey, and leave us a comment. Even a quick hello makes our day. So roll, camp, play, and maybe fix something, and have a beer.